A group discussion session of Java. Okay, in this session we will discuss about the Java most important interview questions. Which type of interview questions mostly interviewer will ask, which type of interview questions companies will ask, that thing we are discussing in this session. Okay, so this is not a interview, this is not a live interview. Okay, this is a just practice interview session of Java, that which type of question is asking. So I will ask the questions with any students randomly. Okay, if you are answering, then you can answer, and after that I will pass the question to next student. If no one student will answer, then I will provide the answer of that question. Okay, the first question is from you. Okay, what is your name?
Sir, my name is Nitin Jadhav, sir.
Nitin Jadhav. Okay, so tell me about JVM. What is JVM and what is the working of JVM?
Sir, Java, sir, JVM short name is Java, and sir, full name is Java Virtual Machine, and sir, it is a part of Java lang. And sir,
What is the actual work of JVM?
sir, actually, sir, JVM, sir, if we enter in any code in a machine, then it convert in bit code, and after that, in JVM, it convert in the machine code for the users, sir.
Okay. Means you can simply say that JVM means Java Virtual Machine that is used to convert the Java byte code to machine code.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How many components will be used into the JVM? Can you tell me about JVM component? JVM component. How many components is used on JVM? JVM diagram you have seen. I think that I have discussed in session. JVM architecture. How many components in JVM? You tell.
Class loader, sir.
Okay.
First is loading,
Yeah. Class loader. Okay. Loading.
linking, initializing.
Okay.
उसके अंदर होता है अपना लोडिंग, लिंकिंग, इनिशियलाइजिंग. फिर लोडिंग में सर वेरीफाई होता है,
Okay.
फिर सिंटैक्स चेक होता है उसमें,
Okay.
और फिर एप्लीकेशन लोडेड होता है.
Okay.
उसके बाद अपना दूसरा मेमोरी एरिया आता है.
Okay.
मेमोरी एरिया में मेथड एरिया होता है, हीप एरिया होता है, स्टैक होता है, और नेटिव अपना मेथड होती है.
Native method area.
जी,
Okay.
नेटिव मेथड एरिया. उसके बाद अपना होता है उसमें दो पार्ट और
Registers.
पीसी रजिस्टर्स होते हैं.
PC registers.
पीसी रजिस्टर्स 5 पार्ट उसके सेकंड पार्ट में होते हैं मेमोरी एरिया में. उसके बाद अपना सेकंड पार्ट, थर्ड पार्ट होता है अपना उसमें
Execution.
एग्जीक्यूशन इंजन, जिसके अंदर अपना इंटरप्रेटर होता है.
Yes.
उसके बाद इंटरप्रेटर के बाद
JIT.
JIT कंपाइलर होता है, और ये गार्बेज कलेक्टर होता है.
Okay.
उसके बाद लास्ट वाले में होता है अपने नेटिव मेथड लाइब्रेरी और नेटिव मेथड स्टैक्स
Native method interface.
इंटरफेस.
JNI.
JNI होता है सर.
Okay, so that is the architecture of
Architecture.
JVM. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me what is object in Java? Object.
It contain all type of data types.
It contain all. It is called class, which contain all type of data type. That is called class. I am not asking about class. I am asking about object. You say na Java is a object oriented programming. So what is meaning of object? You tell.
Yes, sir. Object is a super class of Java, sir, which contain a subclass in self. Sir, we can see that object. We can see the object is a reference as type on, sir, and we can, sir, store many data in object. Suppose that if you in static memory you cannot put any other memory, but in object, but by making object you can create a lot of memory, because if we put any sir, any अपन बोल सकते हैं sir, enter any value, sir, by object, then it will create in self memory, and I can see that, sir, in object memory we can see that it convert self memory allocation.
Okay.
By object.
Okay. Simply you can see that object is a real world entity.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nothing else. Object is a real world entity. that has identity, state and behavior. I am not asking about object class. If I am asking about object class, then you can say that object class is a super class in Java. Okay, that contain all type of data. I am asking about object. If I am asking about object, then meaning is that I am asking about real time object. Okay, the real time object means that contains identity, state and behavior, and it is used to represent the class. Means
Class.
the behavior and characteristics of object will be defined by class.
Class.
Okay, I have already discussed class is a blueprint of object.
Yes.
What is class? Class is a
Blueprint of
blueprint of object. Okay, so that is the main difference between real time object and object class. If somebody asks you that what is object class, then you can say that object class is a super class in Java. But simply object, then you should define that it is a real world entity that has identity, state and behavior. Okay, what is array?
Array is इसमें सर स्टोर कर सकते हैं एक ही टाइप के डेटा टाइप.
Okay.
इसमें सर इसकी एक साइज फिक्स होती है.
Okay, so where we use array means what is the difference between normal variables and array type variable?
अरे टाइप वेरिएबल स्टोर सर इसमें मतलब एक ही टाइप के डेटा टाइप को स्टोर करने के लिए यूज होता है. और सिंपल डेटा टाइप में सर हम मतलब एक की ही वैल्यू को फिक्स कर सकते हैं, स्टोर कर सकते हैं.
Okay. Use it. Why we use array?
Array is the sir storing multiple elements and array में क्या है कि हम जब एलिमेंट को एक मतलब एक साइज का array होता है जिसकी इंडेक्सिंग 0 to any pointer मतलब नंबर होती है जहाँ तक अपन उसको यूज करना चाहते हैं. मगर उसमें क्या होता है सर अपन एक इंटीजर टाइप का array लेते हैं तो उसमें मल्टीपल इंटीजर टाइप की वैल्यू स्टोर कर सकते हैं array के साइज के ऊपर उसको डिपेंड किया जाता है. और इसका यूज अपन जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे किसी क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स हैं और उसके अलग अलग सेक्शंस हैं. एक स्टूडेंट्स है सर और उसमें अगर अपने को सभी का जैसे नंबर फाइंड करना हो तो अपन नंबर स्टोर कर सकते हैं एक ही वेरिएबल के अंदर.
Okay, means simply you can say that we can store multiple values under single variable. Okay, that is the array. That is the main implementation of array. And you can also implement easy searching and sorting using array. If you are not using array, then how to implement sorting? You can't implement sorting, I think that. Searching operation is very tough if you are not using array. So that's why we can say that array provide primary data structure to any programming language. Okay, that's why we should always prefer to array type variable if we want to implement the logic for multiple variables values or multiple values. Suppose that for example you want to implement the information of student. Okay, that means there are 100 students marks. Then you can create one array of 100 size and contain the student marks into that array. So you can easily perform the operations, easy searching, easy sorting, easy managing the data. Okay, and you can reduce your business logic code also if you are using array. So that is the special advantage of array. Okay, you tell what is data type in Java?
Integer.
Yeah, how to define it? Can you define it? Definition. What is the role of data type? Why we declare data type? Suppose that in any variable you are declaring int, char, float, this. So why you declaring data type? What is the actual role of data type? You say?
Sir, data type we can say that it is defined a variable of variable memory. Sir, suppose if we take integer values and it will integer value, so it will take in self value integer. And suppose if we take float value, then it will contain float memory in self. So sir, data type we can see that data type is very important. Suppose that if we want to in a small memory, then you will use integer int data type. If you want to take in big memory, then you will take integer data type. So sir,
means simply you can say that data type is used to define the
Yeah.
size of occupied data.
Occupied data.
Means the occupied data, how much size it will take under the memory,
Yes, sir.
that thing will be decided by the data type.
Data type. Yes.
Simply we can say that pattern and size of data is determined by data type.
Data type.
Nothing else. Okay, so Java's forcefully support data type. Without data type you can't declare the variable.
Variable.
Without data type you can't declare the constant. Without data type you can't declare the method as well. Okay, class is also the data type. Okay, there are two different data type. Which one? How many type of data type supported by Java?
Sir, integer, string.
This is the subtype. Main type, categorization of data type. Primitive data type.
Primitive.
Non-primitive data type. Okay, that thing I am asking. How many data type in primitive type?
Primitive type, sir, integer and integer, float, long, and string.
And for non-primitive?
Non-primitive, sir.
What is boxing and unboxing concept?
बॉक्सिंग एंड अनबॉक्सिंग बॉक्सिंग इज सर मतलब जो डेटा टाइप है अपना मतलब अपन किसी boxing और unboxing। मतलब सर लार्ज वैल्यू के टाइप को अपन स्मॉल वैल्यू के टाइप में कन्वर्ट करते हैं।
That is called unboxing or boxing. Large to small is called unboxing or boxing.
अनबॉक्सिंग सर
And boxing
बॉक्सिंग का स्मॉल वैल्यू
to large value.
टू लार्ज वैल्यू।
Simply you can say that. You can define it. Boxing.
प्रिमिटिव डेटा को नॉन प्रिमिटिव डेटा में कन्वर्ट करना बॉक्सिंग और नॉन प्रिमिटिव डेटा को प्रिमिटिव डेटा में कन्वर्ट करना अनबॉक्सिंग।
Okay. What is wrapper class in Java?
सर बाइट कोड को प्रिमिटिव डेटा में कन्वर्ट करना।
Wrapper class is used to bytecode to primitive data type. You say, what is the role of wrapper class?
Sir, wrapper class, we can see that is a wrapper class or sir, object is a wrapper class, but sir, I know more about wrapper class, sir. I don't know, sir.
You don't know about the wrapper class.
Yes, sir.
You say.
सर रैपर क्लास मतलब वो क्लासेस जिसके मतलब साइज डिफाइन नहीं होती है।
Okay.
उसमें क्या है कि सर
Can you tell me the name of any wrapper class?
सर अपना ऑब्जेक्ट एक रैपर क्लास है,
Okay.
स्ट्रिंग और रैपर क्लास है, इंटीजर
Okay.
रैपर क्लास है, एरे अपना रैपर क्लास है एंड फ्लोट।
Okay. The data type which will be contained by the object, that is called a wrapper class. Wrapper class is simply used to contain the data under object pattern or class pattern. Okay. It is basically used to convert the primitive type to derived type. If you want to, because you knew that Java primitive type is written on C and C++ language. That's why Java is not object oriented completely. Because if you want to convert the primitive data type that not provide type safety to object pattern, then we can use wrapper class. So wrapper class is used to mainly data type conversions from primitive to class type. Okay, int, it is the primitive data type. Integer, it is the wrapper class. So int to integer, that is by default implemented. Okay, that is called auto boxing approach also. Okay, if you are assigning the int to integer, that is called auto boxing concept also. Okay, the wrapper class is mainly used to provide the data type implementations with object pattern. Okay, that is the special role of wrapper class. Okay, what is operator?
ऑपरेटर मैथमेटिकल
Definition. First you should define the definition, not the type. I am not asking about the type of operator. I am just saying what is operator. Okay, not the type. If I am asking about type, then you can say that mathematical.
Sir, operator we can see that sir, by operator we can see multiplication, addition, subtraction, and so on, sir.
That is the type of operator.
Yeah.
I am asking the definition of operator.
ऑपरेटर इज परफॉर्म ऑपरेशंस
Between
three
operands.
types.
It is used to perform the operation between operand. Nothing else.
देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स यूनरी, टर्नरी और बाइनरी।
Unary, binary, and ternary.
टर्नरी
Okay. So definition. Okay. if you want to go with logical skills, then first you should understand what is the operator, what is the data type. Okay, 90% students answer. If we say what is data type, int char float. This is not a data type. This is a type of data type. Data. What is a data type means how to define data type. What is operator means how to define operator. What is wrapper class means how to define wrapper class. What is means you know that. What is means their definition. Okay, that is the most important thing. And you every students learn higher topics. But I am suggesting to you that you should always learn the fundamental topic in depth. If your fundamental concept will be clear, then your high level concept will also clear. Okay, so that is the main point. So you should improve a lot and focus on fundamental concepts. Okay, so this is not the interview. This is just one discussion session to improve your knowledge skills. Because if you go into the higher topic, then you never forget the fundamental topic. Okay, so you should always focused on fundamental as well as higher topics. Okay, that's it. Okay.